Welcome back, guys. This is Cosmo, and this is Will We Make It? Well, with Robinhood now halting withdrawals, Coinbase halting withdrawals, and now Binance as well halting withdrawals, what can we expect from the Ethereum merge coming up? We will get into that, and is now the time to get into crypto? We will cover all that in this week's episode, so let's hit it. Welcome back, guys. This is Cosmo, and this is Will We Make It? I cover all things creating, trading, and gaming. I do videos on Mondays and Tuesdays. If you like content like this, please consider subscribing. And with that, let's get into the news. As we covered in last week's episode, Coinbase will pause Ethereum's deposits and withdrawals during the Ethereum merge. We've covered that in a previous video, but now including Coinbase, we have Robinhood also suspending. Your crypto will remain safe. The Ethereum merge network upgrade will change Ethereum's current consensus mechanism from proof of work to proof of stake. Along with other improvements, this milestone will help Ethereum deliver on its plan of becoming more scalable, secure, and sustainable. Here we go. Additionally, we recommend not making any deposits of the above noted crypto assets during the merge because they may take longer to complete. You will be able to continue to deposit and withdraw other supported crypto assets through the crypto details page. We don't expect any impact on your ability to trade any of our supported crypto assets during the merge. We also don't expect this event to impact other networks or cryptocurrencies not mentioned above. In addition to Robinhood, also Binance is also suspending Ethereum deposits as well. If we go down to the cryptocurrency exchange, Binance will suspend deposits and withdrawals of Ethereum and ERC20 tokens during the blockchain transition to proof of stake beacon chain in September. The world's largest exchange by transaction volume announced the move in a bid to provide scalability during the merge. So basically, you will not be able to withdraw or deposit during the Ethereum merge coming on September 15th. However, if you are into crypto, what can we expect from the merge going forward? I will tell you, nobody knows what's going to happen. Some analysts say that it's just a big nothing, and some might even suggest that Ethereum could decline. And if you can expect, once deposits and withdrawals resume and Ethereum's price is popped, you will see a large people withdrawing those profits, probably to take those profits right away. And we could see Ethereum's price crash. I would not be surprised. But if you are in it for the long haul, which is what I'm doing, and I'm not a financial advisor, I am looking forward down towards the future. 2023, 2024. I am looking for Ethereum to go to 10,000, 20,000, even surpassed Bitcoin, 30,000 maybe. And I will stay with Ethereum until it gets to that point. So, with these exchanges suspending Ethereum, to me, this is not a big issue. It will make sure that people don't rush to deposit when it's going up or withdraw and take the profits off the top. They want to make sure that they can hold the increased traffic and make sure that the blockchain doesn't get congested or crash or anything type of that. Plus, they want to make sure that everything runs smoothly and everything goes on without a hitch. So I get that. And an article from Blockworks, what could happen to Ethereum's price following the merge? And again, this is all simply speculation. Traders are anticipating higher prices in the $1,850 to $2,000 range in the lead up to the merge. Other industry participants believe the crypto's non-event will likely spark a trading frenzy in the other direction. Again, like I said, Ethereum could crash. Crypto is still completely correlated to the market, and with the volatility in the market right now, I wouldn't be surprised if we see Ethereum drop down. Just like Bitcoin, I wouldn't be surprised if we see major crypto assets reach new lows. That would not surprise me one bit, especially going into 2023. Everyone is saying we are going to enter a recession. I do believe we could be entering into a recession in 2023. With that being said, the markets could hit new lows, and it could be very volatile, and it could be very rough in the coming months. But the market will recover, crypto will recover, and if you will continue to dollar cost average in your assets that you believe in, the stocks that you believe in, and if you are invested in ETFs like SPY or ETFs from the NASDAQ, those will never go to zero. I mean, the chances of the market going to zero, you'll have bigger worries than losing your investments if that would happen. As far as crypto goes, no one knows what's going to happen. No one has a crystal ball. People can speculate all they want. The truth of the matter is, what happens in crypto, as long as you are dollar cost averaging in, you will come out shining in the end. And as always, I do go over my portfolios for the week. Here we have the previous week, as I saw some major pullback. Ethereum did a pretty huge pullback as well. So I did go down $750, about $750. And as we pull up this week, we will see another loss as the market continues its volatile ways. And we begin to show here August 29th. This was inputted on Monday. And as you can see, the market was another rough day, another rough week. My Robinhood, I did lose significantly on the Robinhood. I lost about $200 on a speculative trade, FOMOing in, which again I didn't recommend, and that's why, because you will lose money 9 times out of 10. And of course, Ethereum juggling between 1400 and 1500 will also see a pullback as well. So I did go lost about 200, but we still are over the halfway mark, so I'm not too concerned. I do expect to reach that $8,000 mark by the end of the year. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average in, and I did switch my Robinhood funds from stocks to Ethereum just right before the merge. So I'm basically all in on Ethereum, guys. I am just going all in, and we will just see what happens. So that's what I got, guys. Basically, is it time to purchase and get involved in crypto? Well, Ethereum, Bitcoin, all the major assets are down over 70% from their previous all-time highs, and we could see new lows. So do you buy now or do you wait later? Well, we don't know what's going to happen later. We may not see new lows. So the time to buy in is now. And if we do reach new lows, by dollar cost averaging, it will bring your average price down anyway. So either way, it's a win-win. You can buy in now, dollar cost average every pay period, every month, every quarter, whichever you are comfortable with, and just continue to be consistent, and you will do just fine. So that's what I've got this week, guys. Thank you for watching. Please consider to like and subscribe this video. Share on your social medias. I do have a controller that I will be giving away once we reach that monetization mark. We are very close. We are about less than 1,000 watch hours away to become monetized. As soon as we do, we will celebrate with that giveaway. So again, that's all I've got. We'll see you next time. Peace.